It is estimated that between 5 to 15 kilograms of cattle body weight can be worked off in a stressful cattle yard session, costing you another couple of weeks in growth before reaching target weights. So without a doubt, it is critical to choose a yard that suits your operation. Yards that are well designed and constructed are not only safe to work in, they're also more efficient, enabling you and your staff to put through more cattle with less stress to both humans and beasts. Over the last decade, timber cattle yards have begun to be replaced by their steel counterparts, and there are many good reasons for the change. Some of the main benefits of steel: they are virtually maintenance free, quick to install so you can get straight back into the real work, stronger than timber and therefore safer, and the anti-bruise railings keep stock in top condition. The open feel makes the stock more restful. Because of the strength of a cattle master stockyard, you can eliminate any thought of whether the yards are still in top shape from the previous yarding. There's a lot to take into account when designing a stockyard system: number of cattle, mob size, land area you're running, breed, what type of cattle you're producing, to name a few. Cattle master stockyards can be designed to suit any situation. Research shows that round yards have a lot better flow because of cattle's natural tendency to circle their handler. Cattle flow in easier, making the yard safer. Circular yards also put less stress on the animals because the handler can stay out of the animal's line of vision, unlike in traditional yards where the operator is often directly in the animal's line of vision. While these have been big changes, we're always looking for new and innovative ways to improve our equipment for better performance on farm. Our design team can really help here by using a standard proven plan, your own design, or a mix of both to suit your operation. During the manufacturing stage, you need to prepare the yard site. We help here by supplying concrete marking out plans should you wish to concrete all or a portion of the yards. On completion of the site preparations, our team can then install your complete yard system with ease, including setting up extra components such as your crush and weigh scales. Following are just some of the reasons why a cattle master yard is so effective. The unique 67 by 48mm cattle rail has no single pressure point and no sharp edges, meaning reduced bruising for your stock and more money for your beef. The material is high tensile steel and springs rather than bends, as with traditional galvanised pipework. A cattle master stockyard is an investment you want to last, so all steel components are fully hot dip galvanised. This provides the ultimate long-lasting protection against corrosion. The C-Force gate system is an optional heavy-duty 3.2 metre revolving steel gate, which reduces the size of a circular force pen as the cattle enter the race, keeping cattle up to the race and making the pen more manageable. The C-Force pen can be locked in every half metre as the cattle move up. Holding approximately 15 head of cattle, in most yards the operator can process 2 to 3 racefuls of cattle before having a refill from the main pens. Also, the C-Force gate is strongly braced to eliminate the need for a perimeter wheel. Because of the efficiency, there's no need to climb into the forcing pen, a major safety benefit. The U-bow race system is designed for easier working up and down the race. Most steel yard systems involve some sort of overhead tie to hold the two sides of the race together. The Cattle Master U-bow system is uniquely manufactured to leave the race free from any overhead obstructions. This eliminates the operator from whacking their elbows when working up and down the race, drenching, pregnancy testing and so on. This latch really makes yard work safer and faster. Simply throw the gate shut and it latches automatically from either side. The strike plate is extremely compact and has a rounded edge to prevent stock damage or bruising. Another handy feature is the gate anchor, which holds the gate open at any point and latches the gate fully open if it swings back against another. Most Cattle Master stockyard systems include access gates in the yard to allow quick and easy access to pens without having to climb over the fences and rails. The man gate is fitted with a slam shut latch and gives a 750mm wide access way when open. In any cattle yard, a correctly built catwalk makes a big difference to how safe and comfortable the race area is to work in. The Cattle Master stockyard system uses catwalk braces that attach to the side rails of the panel and to the ground. Timber is then fastened to the braces, which are 1 metre wide. This allows plenty of room for several people to work on the catwalk at the same time. A handrail is optional and recommended in some designs where cattle are regularly held in the area next to the catwalk. Most cattle master yard designs incorporate a sliding gate at the entry to the race. In this situation, the sliding design is considered to be safer to operate than the conventional swing gate. It is also common to fit a slide gate midway up the race on large systems to help improve flow. Fully hot dip galvanised for the ultimate rust protection. The standard loading ramp is 2.8 metres long with a loading height of 1.1 metre and a collapsible stand. The tannelised wooden floor with steel cleats gives cattle a sure tread, and the sides are sheeted up 500mm to minimise possible leg damage. The side rails are made from anti-bruise cattle rail steel, and optional extras include a catwalk on the left or right hand sides. An optional attachment. The 1.2 metre flat top loading ramp makes loading and unloading easier as the cattle come out of the truck onto a flat landing before descending the ramp. A loading bank is a good option if the site lends itself to this design. It is more cost effective than a raised ramp and extremely good to use, as cattle walk on at ground level. There is the option of a dual height loading system which enables cattle to be loaded directly onto the first and second level of the truck. The Cattle Master system is a unique, heavy-duty permanent stockyard system that still has the flexibility to be moved or redesigned later should your operation change. The system uses a series of modular panels and gates that are connected together with a unique clamp. This clamp method gives the stockyards a huge amount of integral strength and security, but best of all retains flexibility for design changes or complete relocation at a later date. Most Cattle Master permanent stockyards only take 1 to 2 days to erect, which leaves you time to concentrate on your farming business. A large range of plans are available, from yards as small as 5 head to 500 head systems, from lifestyle blocks to large stations. And we also provide a custom design service to create the perfect yard for your operation. There are many queries people have when investing in a Cattle Master stockyard system, and our customer services team is trained to work out the best solution for your needs and budget.